Are you looking for a professional, well-designed course?
Yes.
iEducate will provide that. We will give you a short overview of the course throughout this video.
The iEducate course is particularly suitable for trainers or vocational teachers, IT developers or e-learning managers.
Approaches to e-learning, understand and apply pedagogically sound principles to e-learning, instruct and conduct a needs analysis and understand key principles, gain basic instructional design skills in order to be able to create well-structured, interactive and engaging e-learning solutions, apply principles of good practice.
The course consists of 12 modules covering an introduction to e-learning and different approaches, web quests, creating a podcast, delivering a training session through a virtual classroom, models for e-learning, conducting a needs analysis, instructional design, designing questions and scenarios, visual design and storyboarding, creating a short video for your e-learning course, quality and good practice in e-learning, culture and diversity in e-learning. iEducate